In a quiet village wrapped in morning mist, there lived a curious girl named Elara. She loved books more than sweets, and stories more than sleep. Her favorite place was the old village library, where time felt like it held its breath, and books whispered secrets only she could hear. One rainy afternoon, Elara wandered into the farthest corner of the library. She found a dusty wooden shelf, half buried in cobwebs and forgotten memories. A strange shimmer caught her eye. A small, leather-bound book with no title. When she opened it, every page was blank. No words, she whispered, puzzled. She turned each page carefully. Still nothing, just silence and space. But as she held it, Elara felt a warm hum in her fingertips. Like the book was breathing, waiting for something. She took the book home that evening, clutching it like a secret treasure. That night, she placed it beside her bed. In the middle of the night, a soft golden glow spilled from its cover, and a whisper stirred the air. "Write your heart." Elara sat up, wide-eyed. She grabbed a pencil and hesitated. What should she write? She remembered her grandmother's lullaby, and the way her father smiled when she shared her dreams. So she began with that. As she wrote, words appeared not only on the page, but around the room. Her drawings came alive. Stories danced on the walls, and her room turned into a canvas of dreams, just from her thoughts and feelings. The book didn't want any story. It wanted her story. What she believed, what she felt, even what she feared deep inside. And each night, the more she wrote, the more the book responded, with colors, shapes, and soft echoes of magic. One morning, Elara woke up to find her window glowing. Outside, children stood beneath it, pointing and laughing joyfully. Her words had floated out and painted the village walls with glowing lines of her heart. Soon, others came to her. A boy who didn't know how to say, "I'm scared." An old woman who forgot her own stories. A quiet man with eyes full of rain. They brought blank pages, hoping to find their voice too. And the book welcomed them. One by one, their hands touched its cover, and their own stories began to bloom. Not from ink, but from honesty, courage, and memory, written in light and emotion only hearts could see. Years passed. Elara's book became legend, but she never kept it locked away. She left it in the library corner, where she first found it. Not to hide it, but to wait for the next soul who truly listened. And sometimes, late at night, when the stars are very still, a soft hum stirs the air, and someone finds the book with no words, and it begins again with a whisper, "Write your heart."